All right, what's going on Facebook? What's going on YouTube? This is Willie Bear here back with another video. I want to show you guys how to get more sales in Conversion Pros. Okay, if you are in Conversion Pros already, perhaps you're having trouble marketing Conversion Pros. I don't see why, because David Dubs, he provides you with all the training that you need to market TCP. But if you seem to just be having trouble marketing TCP, this is a tactic that I use uh, every day to help out other people that are marketing. Okay, so I'm going to give you guys a quick example. Okay, Sheena Lanice, she's my Facebook friend, and most people market. They put their, like when they make a post about their business, they will put their website in their posts. So I like to check out people's websites. So I checked on her website and I saw that she was marketing with a corporate website. That is a no-no. Okay, because if you market with a regular corporate website, that means that you're not able to keep up with the people that visit your website. You want to be able to follow up with people that visit your page. So, it's a nice page, but doesn't have any kind of capture page form. Okay, you want to be able to follow up with your leads and prospects by email, text, or calling. And Conversion Pros gives you the option to get your prospects information. So this is how she's marketing. Okay, so what I did was, she's in the travel industry. So what I did was I created a page for her. So this is what it looks like. Okay, we pay you to travel. Imagine enjoying this view and making thousands of dollars. We offer the best deals anywhere. Okay, this is her picture. I use her profile to use her pictures. Okay, she's in the travel industry, so I made her a nice, colorful travel page. It has information where, like, if someone wants to know more about the opportunity or about traveling or about booking a trip, they put their information in. All right, so once the prospect put their information in, you automatically get a contact notification on your phone. All right. So as soon as she puts her information in, I'm going to show you her. I showed it to her. As soon as your prospects enter their information, you're going to get a notification on your cell phone so that you can instantly follow up with them. That's the power of having a TCP membership, because you want to be able to follow up with your leads right then and there. All right, so she's in here somewhere. Sheena Pagler. I don't know if you can see it or not, but she opted in because I sent her the funnel that I designed for her, and she liked it. So she says once she looks over it, I'm going to send some information about signing up. She hasn't signed up yet, but a lot of times when you send people pages like this, they like what they see, okay, and then they instantly join up just for a trial. All this is just giving out a free trial. You tell them to try out the system for free. They don't have to pay anything, and 9 times out of 10, they're going to keep it. All right. She didn't particularly sign up right then, but the seed has been planted. Okay, I may follow with her, sometime next week, but this is how you present your opportunity to other people that may be interested in getting more leads and sales in their business. So this is the capture page that I made for her. All right. And then this is a thank you page. Okay, this is her picture again. All right. And this will take the prospect to their corporate website. How neat is that? Would you rather market like this only with a page like this? Or would you rather market nice capture page? You have a nice capture page so you can get people's information so you can follow up with them and increase your chances of gaining a business partner. Okay, a nice funnel. There it is. And it took me about 25 minutes, 20 or 25 minutes to make this. Plain and simple. So design pages for people, reach out to people, and just show them the power of TCP and how TCP can help them to build their business. And also, like, I'm sure she has a downline, so she can share this funnel information and this system with her downline. If she get 2 people to sign up, then her membership is free. Okay. Another thing, we have a powerful conversation plan. All right. If you get 10 people to sign up under you in Conversion Pros, you get paid $250 per month residually. All right. 50 people, $12.50 a month. 100 people, $2,500 per month. 400 people, you get $10,000 per month just from sharing a system that every marketer in the United States of America and worldwide needs. All right. Another thing too, this opportunity is available worldwide, not just in the United States of America. So that's another powerful thing, another advantage that you have when marketing this. All right. So if you're interested in signing up and knowing more about TCP, reach out to me. Like I said, anyone that signs up under me, I share with them valuable nuggets and tips and tricks on how to build a business. Okay, so take action. If you're not getting leads and sales in your business, take action. Try the free trial for 7 days. Try it out. If you like it, you can keep it. If not, you're not obligated to keep it whatsoever. Okay, until next time, we'll talk soon.